Geçtiğimiz günlerde Binance, yıldız futbolcu Cristiano Ronaldo ile yapmış olduğu Yalan makinesi röportajının teaserını yayınlamıştı. Dünyanın en büyük kripto para borsası Binance bu videonun tam halini sonunda takipçileriyle paylaştı.
Okay, Cristiano, all I want to answer is yes or no. Then I'll always look to Don to clarify if you're telling the truth or lying. Okay, just one word.
I have to say the truth or I can lie?
We want you to tell the truth. Here we go.
İlk soru oldukça basitti.
Is your name Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro?
Yes.
It's a good start. Okay.
İkinci soruda ise Ronaldo'ya gergin olup olmadığı soruldu.
Are you nervous?
Right now? No.
Is 7 your favorite number?
Yes.
Are you trying to fool the machine?
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Have you ever Googled yourself?
So many times.
Ronaldo kendisiyle ilgili istatistiklere epey hakimdi.
The all-time record for the most goals in history.
Yes.
How many?
835
No.
with video.
Oh, with video.
With video. Official.
Okay. Do you ever eat fast food?
So many times.
Ülkesi Portekiz'in Dünya Kupası'nı kazanacağına galiba Ronaldo da pek inanmıyor.
Will Portugal win the World Cup?
Yes. Un pesimista.
This is a key one. I think most players do, but do you watch your goals back?
Yes.
Is your bicycle kick your best ever goal?
Yes.
What do you reckon was your best ever goal? If that says no, what else do you think comes close to that?
For me, it's the best goal.
For you, it is.
You can say the most difficult.
Yeah.
Most beautiful.
Yeah.
Depend. So many things.
Portekizli'ye göre dünyanın en zor ligi.
Is the Premier League the hardest league in the world?
Yes.
Do you snore?
Probably no, but sometimes maybe yes.
I need one word.
No.
Is Sir Alex Ferguson the best manager in history?
It's unfair to say the best. But what is the best? Coaches that I was with, that we win so many trophies, we have to consider they are the best too. So to mention one, I think is not fair.
That's a great answer. That's an honest answer.
Ve sıra NFT'lere geldi. Acaba Cristiano Ronaldo'nun NFT'leri var mı yok mu?
Do you own any NFTs?
Yes.
Are you going to make more NFTs in the future?
Yes.
Cristiano Ronaldo 40'lı yaşlarında da en yüksek performansı göstereceğine inanıyor ve bunu kendine güvenerek söylüyor.
Will you still be playing at the highest level in your 40s? Just one word.
Yes.
Ronaldo kendisi hayattayken rekorunun kırılacağına inanıyor mu yoksa inanmıyor mu? İşte cevabı.
Will anyone ever beat your goal scoring record in your lifetime?
No.
It's a true answer. Are you the greatest goal scorer of all time?
Yes.
Ve röportajdaki en can alıcı soru geliyor.
This is a big one. Would you trade all of your Champions League winning medals for the World Cup trophy?
Binance, teaser'da da olduğu gibi bu sorunun cevabını yine yayınlamadı. İzleyicilerimiz hangi cevabı verdiğiyle ilgili tahminlerini yorumlar kısmına bırakabilir.